Hello everyone, I am Manas Sharma from Freeazio. Today I am presenting you my first application which is VeriLock. VeriLock is a online license management application, SaaS based application. You can get so many scripts in marketplace about license management system. But if you don't have any server, any domain, then where you use your license management system? That's why I'm introducing a VeriLock, your online platform license management system, where you just have to register yourself and you can use Verilog to integrate key function, license function in your plugins, themes, or any type of application. You don't have to create a license management system in your applications, in your plugins, themes, or anywhere. You can just register in a Verilog and use our functionality. So first of all, without any delays, let's start and show you how Verilog work. So first of all, you come to this link verilock.easycare.com, which is one of our domains. When you come here, you first see a register page. So first you have to register yourself. So first of all, you have to fill a details like full name, you can email address. Please input your real email address, because in a future if you lost your password in any case, so we can send you a password reset link in your real email. So whenever you register yourself, please use a real email. Password, you can choose any password. Now it's time to redeem code. What is redeem code? First I'm telling you, when you are purchasing a redeem code, when you are purchasing our application, then you get a redeem code. You can use that redeem code. You can use redeem code just like that. Then nothing, you have to just register yourself. After clicking registration button, you can now access a Verilock dashboard. First of all, this is your simple easy dashboard where you can see your total registered product, total licenses, active licenses, and license activation overview. So first of all, there is no products, no license. So first we are going to create our products and license, and then I will tell you everything properly. Then first we have to go to products, because we have whatever you want to integrate Verilock in any product. So first of all, create a product. You can enter any product name, just like if I am doing, you can put any product name, whatever you want, wherever you want to integrate your Verilog. Then submit. After submit, your product was created successfully. Now you have to go to license tab. There is no license available. Now create license. You can have drop down of your products. Whatever products you create, that products come in that drop down. You can choose from drop down that product name, number of license, how many number of license you want to create, 10, 20, 100, 1000. There is no limit for license code. So first, right now I am just creating 20 license codes. You can set a license use limit. If you want to if you selling a plugin or theme or any type of application and you just want that user can only use one time license, so you can put a license limit. If you don't want to put, this license will go unlimited. So I am just putting a license limit and expiration date. If you want to expire your license code after some dates, you can also use this. Now I'm clicking on generate. It will generate 20 license of code of your product. Now you can save license. After saving, you can see a message, success, license saved successfully. Now last and main important part, there is API generate script. We are going to give you a script. So whenever you generate a script, please don't share this script to anywhere else, because if you share this script to anywhere, because we always give you different type of API script. Whenever you generate, I will give you a new script. So click on just generate API script. This will create an API. You have just to do copy. After copy, it will copy in your clipboard. After, if you have a plugin, just I have a one plugin, so I'm going to show you how it's work. Now you copied that script. Now you just have to create a file name. You can put any name in your file, and for experience or good conversation, I want you to create a plugin main file, theme main file, theme main file, or theme main file, or theme main file, or main file, which are doing everything for plugin and theme. You can create a file there. You can give any name to that file. Just copy and paste that script which I will give you. After copy paste script in your main file where your menu script was working, you just have to require once. In easy words, you can just include that file in your main file, and there is a function which create a menu page. Themes, plugins, just for plugins. I am demonstrating you just for plugins. You can same use for themes, plugins, or any other application. You can use that. Right now we are using plugins. You can see you have to just give a this thing. You can see, and if you want to use, you can see we are stopping our videos for 1 second. You can see that code and you can use same as it is. We also provide a redemption file after you purchasing our Verilock, so you can have this codes from that file. Okay, after this is plugin activated, this function is main. This function ensure that your license is active or non-active. This function is called from this function is plugin activated. So whenever you trying to do, follow this video, and we have redemption file. You can check out our redemption file in our comments section. Okay, after you putting that thing, that's it. You are setting your Verilock in your plugin. You can put same thing in your themes, in your other applications. Okay, so now I am going to show you how it's looked in WordPress section. So first of all, I am going to log in a WordPress website and then I will show you how it's look. Okay, so wait. Now I am logging in my WordPress website. Now you can see there is a plugin setting, just as we always do. Just go to our file, install it. Our plugin was installed. Now you can see in top of the panel there is a message, please activate your license to enable updates. When you put a Verilock in your plugin, in your theme, in your anywhere else, you can customize this notification to show to user. Okay, now when you click activate now, it will redirect to that page where you got a license system. Now you can see in this left side panel there is no plugin activated right now, nothing else. Now first we have to put a email, product name and license code when you give to you that user, your users. I am going to fill my name and I am filling a product name and the license code. After filling the details, your user just hit validate license. After clicking validate license, you have to wait for 1 second and the license validated successfully. Now the license was activated and your plugin was also activated. You can see there is a new panel Freeazio. It's mean our Verilock and our plugin was functioning well. Okay, after if you click a deactivate license, your plugin was also hidden from here. You can see there is no any other plugin name Freeazio. So now you can see in your dashboard, you can track your license codes, license activation from that side. Now you can see we have one product, we have one current license currently is used and one active license currently in use. There is a pie chart where you can see active license or inactive license, and also I am giving you a functionality to deactivate your license. If in future you want to deactivate a license from some users or any other user, you can just deactivate license and the license won't work again anymore until you activate that license. That's it. This is my Verilock, an online license management SaaS based application. You can use this application to in your plugins, themes. If you are a developer, you can, if you are creating SaaS based application, you don't have to create a license management system or any other type of licensing management system for your application, which makes your application or any type of server or domains heavy. So if you don't have a domain, you don't have a server, don't worry. Just register in our Verilock, use our Verilock and use our license management system in your plugins, in your themes, in your any application, and you can sell it. So that's it for my side. If you like this application, so please give a like to video, and also if you want to add or any type of review about this product, you can also comment in my section. Our product is available on many platforms. I can give you link in description. You can see that link and follow that every process. I also share a redemption file after you purchasing a Verilock. So that's for my side. If you like a Verilock, please give a like and subscribe our channel.